Okay, so as it is, first we have to check the bubble whether and x and y coordinates are in 0 degree 0 minutes 3 seconds. Okay, so that we have to make it. So after making the x and y coordinates, we have to press escape and go to create the function, that is creating the job, S function, 7th functional key, and create the job name as area. Enter and again press enter so that the job has been assigned. Check it once again on the main screen whether it is in area job or not. Okay, now then after we have to go for S function and create the station coordinates as well as the instrument has to run with respect to north. So those two work to be done under the 5th functional key. Okay, now 5th one, that is measurement, press enter, station point, press enter, instrument height, as we discussed already, that is from the ground to the height. What is the height? We have to measure with the help of tape. After that we have to give input value, that is 1.500 meters. Then press enter so that it will ask for station coordinates, that is north is 5000, press clear and 5000, enter 5000 and clear and enter 5000, press clear and enter 100. So north is nothing but our x direction, east is nothing but y direction, and z is nothing but height. Okay, and point number, this is our first point. So 1, this is point code, this is our station point, so we are going to give STP. Enter, and it is asking for save. Okay, now after saving that we have to make the instrument to be run with respect to north. So we need compass. So compass we have to place over the telescope point. So here the edges of the compass needles, and the point on the telescope should be in a straight line. According to that you can rotate your instrument, then lock the horizontal clamp screw so that it won't rotate, then press 0 set key 2 times. So it will become 0 degree 0 minutes 00 seconds. Okay, next press escape and go to rectangular coordinate. So go to rectangular coordinate and enter so that it is changed to point number, that is 2. Okay, so here whatever the points you need to calculate the area, that we have to focus. So example, here I am going to take this volleyball court, the 4 corners, so which is in non-prism mode. So I am going to see the corners.
Sir, prism we have to use.
No need. Even though we are in non-prism mode, we can make it. Okay.
This side net This side net will come, no, sir. In middle.
So press measure key so that the readings will come. Okay. North, east, z coordinate as well as point number. This is point number 2. If I want to edit any data, so I can use here. So this is, I am going to give point code, okay, as volleyball court point number 1. So VC1, VC1, okay, and press enter, and press save. After measuring that, press save button, okay. Then automatically the screen is changed to point number 3. So next we have to focus our second point, next point, okay.
రిఫ్లెక్షన్స్ వస్తున్నాయిరా కెమెరాలో లైటింగ్ పడుతుందని రైటింగ్స్ కావాలి చైన్ వస్తుంది
So after focusing the object, again press measure key. Okay, if you are going to use measure key, then the reading will come automatically. Once again, check edit page so that the point number is 3 and enter. Press edit key again so that we are going to have the point code we are going to change, that is point number 2, so VC2, backspace and enter. Okay na? Then press save key. Next, so as the same, you can pass that, you can just record as
ఏమి పడ్డా కూడా అక్కడి నుంచి వస్తుంది నెట్ డిస్టర్బెన్స్ సార్ ఒకరక్కడ నించుందో
ఆ కార్నర్ చూస్తాను రా,
అక్కడ నించు
అక్కడ బిగ్ పైన పక్కన whether whatever I have focused, whether it is correct or not, that I have to.
రీడింగ్ షాడో పడుతుంది సార్ ఇక్కడ మనకి లాస్ట్లో ఇంక్రీజ్ బ్రైట్నెస్ సార్ సార్
లేదు
ఫ్లాష్ లైట్
okay. Now I am going to press measure the key so that the reading has came. So again edit so that I am going to change point code as VC3. Enter and save. Then last point, okay. So the change it to 5th one, okay. So the last one we are going to use, we have focused measure. So the reading has came. Once again edit. I'm going to change the point code as VC4. Enter and save. So now all the points we have saved, okay now. So here the constraint is about the instrument is outside the whatever the area we have calculated or inside the site where we have calculated the area. So based on that, your station point reading, you have to delete it. Okay. Now here we have select, okay now, that is whatever the area we have selected for calculating the area, the instrument is at outside. So we have to delete that STP point, that is station point coordinates. Okay. For that we are going for escape key and go to 8th functional key. Okay, that is view and edit. Here edit the rectangular data. Okay, now so here whatever the point you have, that is available. Okay, so here I have to delete the STP point coordinate. Okay, now so press delete button F1 so that it is asking for confirmation. So that press enter. So now only 4 points are available here. So press escape, once again escape, and go to 4th functional key, which is calculation. So under that you can have 2D surface, press enter and give all and accept so that you can get the area. So now the volleyball court area is around 163.875 meter square. So this is the way we have to get the area calculation.